This 2016 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features microwave, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, awning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, refrigerator, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is 9,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.